is regarding this Honorable High Court ni order regarding the PIL fight and the order which the High Court has passed. So the High Court has directed the SP to take steps within 7 days to alert the respondents, that is the president of the association, about the pendency of the PIL, and to further request the agitating employees to remove themselves from the premises of the district council. So I've called them and I've explained it to them about the order, and I have told them that this is the High Court order, and they'll have from within 7 days they'll have to vacate the premises, and they'll not be allowed to agitate in that premises. They have assured that they'll respect the High Court order, and they'll be searching alternate place to have that agitation. So they'll have to comply with the Honorable High Court order. It's an order directly directing them to vacate that one and not to obstruct any other persons who will be coming to the office. Taking every step that this kind of agitation does not culminate into violence or something like that. So as long as they are agitating in a peaceful manner, and if they are not obstructing or not creating any problem, then we have a police deployment there. But then if they do, then we'll have to take appropriate action against them as per law.